On 20th November 2022, the MLA of South Shillong Constituency, Sanbor Shullai, had inaugurated the playground at Jhalupara, Shillong. Those present included the State President of the BJP, Earnest Mawrie, State Representatives of the Women's and Youth Wing of the party, the headman of Jhalupara, Mohan Limbu, the General Secretary of the Jhalupara Village Council, Bipin Pradhan, the President of the Cantonement Lease Holders Association, Zakharia, former and current members of the association, former member of the Cantonment Board, Khan, senior citizens that included George Warjri and others, BJP party workers and supporters, the residents of Jhalupara locality, besides other invitees. After the official program, a lucky draw had also taken place wherein prizes were distributed to the top 3 winners, while consolation prizes were given to 20 other winning participants of the draw. Interestingly, the plot where the playground has been constructed was earlier a dumping ground of waste and also a den of anti-social activities that had caused panic and insecurity amongst those residing in close proximity of the particular location. However, with the initiation of the local BJP MLA Sanbor Shullai, who had taken the project to heart, and with the help received from various quarters, the sanction to the construction of the ground was granted within a short period of 4 months. The playground, that includes a basketball court, tennis court, a football field and a utility area, was constructed for the well-being and welfare of children and especially the youth, but more so to instill a feeling of safety and security amongst residents of the entire area.
To avail the NOC right from Delhi. It's a very tough task, but we did not give up. We keep on going, and the beauty of a leader in Delhi, they listen carefully, because the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi to see that our children, our students, our young boys and girls, they should get a space to play, to engage themselves in sports, and also to divert their mind from the anti-social elements like drugs, marijuana, and other intoxicated things. So I'm very happy today that the dreams come true. This will be the first ground in Cantonment area, and I'm also very happy that in Paltan Bazar we have many months ago, last year if I'm not mistaken, we have inaugurated the children's play field in Paltan Bazar in a dumping ground. The entire people from Bara Bazar, Cantonment and Jining area, they used to go and dump their garbages there. So now it has become clean, and all the children of that area now they are playing there. And now today we are very happy, at least in Jhalupara, a congested place, very tough to get NOC from the defense authority, from the Cantonment Board. But with the blessing, the blessing of our BJP leaders from Delhi, they have made it true. They have given the directive to issue the NOC for the benefit of the children, students, and boys and girls, and even for elderly people also. They can come and play in the morning. There is space. You can get a fresh air in the morning.